Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The reel's in millimetres, the material's been wetted. Just going a little bit closer, just to give you an idea. Haven't moved the pieces, they're just as they were. We'll just put the rule on the top there to get an idea. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Most of this is Boulder Opal. This piece, a bit of Koroite. It's thick enough to cut a few slices off that. Some of the other pieces from larger boulders, and I've taken off most of the backing, so it's a little bit, colour's a bit more concentrated. You can see there's a couple of seams in there. Some's better than others, of course. Nicer pieces. Might be a seam there. Might break. It's the opal showing through over this side. So you might be lucky and it might be filled with some opal. Another small piece. And this piece is king stone. Nice seam of opal running through here. Another seam in the back there. And a third seam there. Face. That might almost be running this way, which is part of that there. You can see there that that links up across the side there, so it's a good chance, that piece. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.